Welcome to a world of endless creativity and color. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing universe of crochet flower designs. From delicate daisies to intricate roses, from vibrant sunflowers to whimsical blooms, we'll explore a kaleidoscope of crochet creations that will brighten your day. Whether you're an experienced crocheter or a complete beginner, you're sure to find inspiration in our diverse collection. Get ready to be inspired and uplifted by the beauty and artistry of crochet flowers. Let's dive into a world of crochet creations that will make you smile. Enjoy the video. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel.